So I chose the biomedicine program because I've always had quite an interest in biomedicine, as in I looked for a lot of programs for this one around Sweden, and this one quite stuck out to me quite a lot, especially because it's gained a lot of popularity. And because I've always been interested in more of a biomedical science route, and especially in immunology and sort of research sciences. So in an average week, we don't just have lectures. We can also sometimes have seminars where we all gather together to share ideas and sort of share what we've learned from different lectures or different video lectures. But we also have labs, specifically in chemistry and our general cell biology course. And so these can happen either every week or every other week. So yeah. I think what I like most is how international it is. I have so many friends that come all over the world, and we all have generally the same life goals, sort of what we would like to do for a career, and some of them we've even done the same high school program. I also really like how helpful my teachers are and how interesting they make the lectures, and generally how interesting the content is. It's something that I look forward to. Yeah. I think for me, since I'm only still in semester one, I think so far the general cell biology course is quite interesting. I really like learning about diseases, for example, or just how our body works on a cellular level, but also I quite like the biomedical product development, where we learn really how products are developed in the real world, how vaccines are developed, assay kits are developed. So that's quite interesting that it has these sort of applications and what I might be doing later in life. So that's interesting to learn about. Yeah, my dream job, it's sort of varied a lot over the years, but definitely something in immunology. I've been specifically in virology. I'm quite interested in viruses and how they work, and how they're technically not classified as like living things, but definitely to try to work with them in sort of a global health approach, trying to see how we can sort of treat these diseases and how we can minimize mass outbreaks. So definitely with drug and product development, yeah. I quite like how, because LiU is quite well known as, especially from what I've heard from other alumni, people who have graduated from LiU, it's quite a good, Linköping is quite a good student city, and LiU, I've heard, has really risen through the ranks in terms of top universities around the world and in Europe, and so that really drew LiU to me. I quite like how student life is here, however, there's a big sense of community here, and how willing everybody is to help you, not just the teachers but the students as well, to make sure that we all achieve our goals.